Hello, this is Gio, and hey, I was just at a garage sale and I got a steal on some pneumatic tools. So I have my little compressor attached to the hose here. I'll go ahead and connect one here. Nice little grinder. There you go. We have a little sander. Very nice. And we have a little hammer chisel here. Now attach this to my hose. Dang, it's not quite fitting. Well, that's disappointing. So looking closer at the situation, I do have a 1/4 inch coupler here, so it should work. And I have a 1/4 inch little male plug for this end, but it just doesn't want to fit in. Now for the grinder, looking at the plug end here, it does look like they're different shapes. Okay, so I'll tell you what's going on here. So the little 1/4 inch male plug attached to this grinder here is actually an industrial standard size plug, whereas the one attached to the hammer here is actually a standard automotive 1/4 inch male plug. And the coupler attached to this hose that I have is for the industrial size standard plug. But you don't have to worry, so it's pretty easy to deal with this. You could either change out your industrial size coupler here to the automotive standard to fit the one that's already on this hammer here, or you can keep this industrial coupler and just swap out the plug for an industrial size fitting. And you can do it either way. Now the coupler does cost more money, maybe $5 or $6. You can also buy, instead of just a standard industrial or automotive coupler, you can. They also sell universal couplers that fit both. They do cost a little more, and you have to think about the tools you already have. Now most of my tools have the industrial standard plug, and so I don't want to just swap out this and have to swap it back and forth just to replace one little plug that doesn't fit. So I'm going to replace this this male plug here, and it's only going to cost me a couple of dollars. So I went ahead and at Home Depot I bought the standard male plug for the industrial standard. And so all you have to do is take a wrench, take this one out, go ahead and screw this one in. Now this plug already comes with some sealant at the threads. If you're just replacing, if you have an existing one that doesn't have the sealant, you can just use some plumber's tape to help seal it up. It's not required, but it'll just help with some of the air leaks. There you go, let's see how it works. Take my hose, plug it in, fits really nicely. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Next time you don't have quite the right fitting for your hose and coupler, it's an easy fix and pretty affordable. So don't ask me what the difference between the automotive and the industrial size fittings are. Might just be a standard how they developed, but there you go. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.